Three bend saddles with a mechanical bender. With a mechanical bender, it is impractical to bend a saddle in the same manner as with a hand bender. It is inconvenient to release the conduit from the bender when fabricating several bends. Because of this, the push-through method is normally used to make saddles with mechanical benders. The push-through method allows all three bends to be fabricated by starting at one end of the conduit and working toward the other. With the push-through method for three-bend saddles, the conduit is laid out in the same manner as with a hand bender. The rise is measured and the shrink is calculated and added to this center line mark. The angles are chosen and the distance between bends is calculated. The difference when using a mechanical bender is that all of the bends are aligned with the center of bend benchmarks on the bender shoe. With the push-through method, a side 22 1/2 degree bend is made first, the center 45 degree bend second, and the other 22 1/2 degree bend made third. To start, place a pencil mark for the center of the center bend. Place two more pencil marks for the side bends on each side of the mark for the center bend. Place the conduit in the bender and align the first side bend pencil mark with the benchmark for the center of a 22 1/2 degree bend. Place a travel pencil mark on the conduit, back from the benchmark. Place a no-dog level at the end of the conduit. Complete the first 22 1/2 degree side bend by advancing the conduit in the bender until the travel mark aligns with the benchmark. Slide the conduit through the bender to align the second pencil mark with the benchmark for the center of a 45 degree bend. Rotate the conduit 180 degrees for the second bend. Place a travel pencil mark on the conduit, back from the benchmark. Complete the center 45 degree bend by advancing the conduit in the bender until the travel mark aligns with the benchmark. If desired, verify the bend angle with a protractor or level. Rotate the conduit 180 degrees for the last bend. Slide the conduit through the bender to align the third pencil mark with the benchmark for the center of a 22 1/2 degree bend. Place a travel pencil mark on the conduit back from the benchmark. Complete the last 22 1/2 degree side bend by advancing the conduit in the bender until the travel mark aligns with the benchmark